Hello guys, welcome to day 3 of Lanzarote. Probably shining because I'm covered in Factor 50. It's a nice day outside, but it is also a little bit cloudy, but we knew that was going to be the case today. The room's looking a bit more lived in now. That's all thanks to Nick. Thankfully still no lizards back in the room. We're just getting ready to go to...
What, shiny and white?
Pasty. No, you look alright. What factor have you got on?
30. 30 quick dry.
We're going over to Fuerteventura on a boat today.
You might be able to see it actually. No, you can't.
You can just see Fuerteventura over there, but we're going on a boat to Fuerteventura. We've never been to Fuerteventura before, have we? Fuerteventura, whatever. My Uncle Brian and Auntie Brenda have been over on the boat before.
For 20 minutes.
And they got stuck. I'm going to put my sunglasses on. They got stuck in a storm and said it was really bad coming back and people were being sick.
So your mum's looking forward to that?
Yeah. So my mum's not too keen on that, but Nick's looked on the weather and it's going to be a fine day. So we're going to go get in the car for the first time. Nick's going to drive that. It's a brand new car. It's only got 40 kilometres on it.
Oh, that's it. Put nerves on me.
So no pressure there, Nick. Oh, very dark. Get into some light. So come with us to Fuerteventura. See what it's like. We've never been before, so we'll see what it's like as well.
You're repeating yourself now.
Let's go.
Come on, Brenda. Where are we going today?
We're going to Fuerteventura today.
On a boat.
On a big boat.
Yeah.
Hope it's not windy, don't we?
Yes.
So how far we go? It's only 20 minutes to where we're going to get the boat. We're off to Playa Blanca to get the boat.
What time's the boat?
12:30. And then we're off to Fuerteventura. Right, we're in Playa Blanca. We're in Marina Rubicon, and we're going to have a look around here. Then we're going to go and get the ferry to Fuerteventura. Right, so we're in the centre of this Marina Rubicon place.
Quickly.
And we're predicting what my dad will say. We'll go, oh, now this is nice. This is nice. Yo, this is nice.
He'll not say it once. He'll say it about 100 times.
So we'll see if he does say that.
This is nice.
This is
I
here.
think it's nice here.
And yeah, the start boats, look.
Oh, with mum.
Yeah.
Dad, with my mum.
And market was somewhere up there.
This is a bit like San Francisco Bay, this.
Oh, I think
On
it's
piers.
nice here. I like it here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is
Lots
nice.
to do,
This
doesn't
is
it?
From what
nice.
I've seen, anyway, so far,
Yeah.
it looks nice.
Very nice. It's very nice.
Very nice.
Very limited. We sat over there.
Centre.
Are you having fun there, Auntie Brenda?
Yeah, it's lovely. Good, isn't it?
Are you pissed already?
No, I haven't had Prosecco this morning.
So a nice outdoor gym here. Do you want to try this one, Auntie Brenda?
You Brenda do this?
I'll never get up on that.
No, you've got to put your foot on that to get on.
Oh no, I can't get up on that, Lee.
No, Lee, watch. Look, watch how you get on. Watch. You put your foot on and then just get on like that.
Before you put your feet on the pedal.
No, other leg first.
I'm a lady.
Oh, that's it. Yeah, that's it.
I'm a lady.
Right, sit down. No.
Sit down first.
Where can I put my foot?
You don't, you sit down.
That's it.
Put your feet on it.
Now push your feet down.
Hey?
Push your feet down.
One foot, not both.
Woo! This is fun. Done my exercises for today.
You need to keep off that Prosecco, you.
Right, so where are we now?
We've just walked a mile from Marina Rubicon
Yes.
to Playa Blanca.
So this
Somewhere over there is where we get the ferry.
Yeah, so we're going to get the ferry over there to Fuerteventura over there. We've never been to Fuerteventura, so that's going to be new for us, but this is Playa Blanca.
It's
So,
very touristy compared to the previous one we've just marked.
yeah, but it's nice. Lots of beers, bars.
Somebody mentioned beers?
Bars and ice cream places.
Where did they?
So this is Playa Blanca.
Playa Blanca?
Playa Blanca.
There's something wrong with you.
So let's go and see where this boat is. So there's the ferry across to Fuerteventura. Unfortunately, we're not on it
Why is that?
because we need a driving license or a passport each, and we don't all have them.
We do, but we didn't bring them. Despite being told when we set off that we needed them. Nobody listens to me.
But we'd already been set off, so we never brought them.
Well, we could have gone back.
So we're just going to spend a couple of hours here, having some lunch. We're just passing a.
And we're going later in the week when it's gale force
We're
wind,
just
so they all
passing
skew.
a Pride rainbow bench. So we're going to go and get something to eat in Marina Rubicon now.
Not a sweet, anybody?
No, ta. Right, so as we can't go to Fuerteventura, we've decided to go to Timanfaya instead, which is a volcano. So
We're almost the centre of the island in the clouds in the rain.
So I wanted to show you outside a bit. So look at the ground here. It's like we're on the moon. And it's getting misty. And it's raining. And the temperature's dropping as well.
Behind in the sound.
It's gone down to 23.
It's dropped 4 degrees in the last 5 minutes.
Yep. Camels, look at all those camels.
All the camels.
Right, so we've literally got out the car and there's a bus leaving to give us a tour of the lava plains.
Getting on a couch.
Lee's just gone and spent a penny or two. So the oldies are already on the bus, so I've just had to wait for Lee, as you do. See?
Look at this. Right, we're on his way. We're on his coach tour, so Nick's going to show you out a window what we can see.
So this is a tour of the lava plains from when the last time the volcano erupted in 1824, and it completely covered a quarter of the island with volcanic ash. So we're on this bus over the edges of these cliffs. You can't quite see it out of our window, but his mum and his auntie sat down the front of the bus, and I can already tell from the mum's face that she looks like she's going to log out a turd. Completely barren landscape. Nothing grows.
Se encuentra ubicada en el sudoeste de la isla,
Look at the edge of the road there.
siendo una pequeña parte de los 170. A tomar
So
la
I think they're going to take us now to a crater, aren't they? I think so, from memory. We've
Whenever
been
people
before.
believed that the fires in
A few years
volcanoes
ago,
were
about
dying
10 years
out,
ago.
new fissures opened up and the eruptions. The explosions that followed this phenomenon, together with the intense darkness produced by masses of ashes and smoke covering the whole island.
Right, so this is like a
Los organismos
huge
que
crater.
viven
You can see all the
directamente
iron
sobre la
there.
roca son aves,
It's really difficult because it's
lagartos,
rained outside,
y
so I
sobre
can't
todo
quite.
varias especies de líquenes
You can see the
insectos
edge of the crater there.
que se
Goes all the
alimentan
way
de las
around.
partículas microscópicas transportadas por el
Fairly that
viento.
far down there.
Se trata principalmente de escarabajos y
Your
grillos.
dad? What a coward.
Posiblemente a los pioneros que llegaron a la isla hace millones de
I
años.
don't know whether you can see this properly, but you can see the actual molten rock that's kind of dribbled and then froze for like hundreds of years. Oh, you can see it better on that
Weniger
side.
als einen Millimeter Länge.
It's almost like a gooey, isn't it? Yeah, like a dribbling rock. It looks molten now, but it's obviously solid. Oh my god, this is like a vertical drop. The road is so thin, and the coach has got to get up that little bit of a road there. Oh my god. It's just a sheer drop, isn't it, Lee? I think so, yeah. It's just a shame it's raining because you can't really see. But just to give you an idea, that is like a vertical drop. Oh my god, I feel sick myself. Never mind your mum and dad. And you can just see the bit of a winding road just there.
Thank God it's turned that music.
Thank Christ for that. Oh my God. Look at that road there. Oh my God. I don't want to look at this. If we don't make it, viewers, this vlog better go viral. Oh my God. You cannot actually see the road below the coach. It's so far to the edge. Right, so do you want to get Sheenan's reaction when we get up there? I didn't like that. What about your mum?
Not sure.
You think your dad will have the worst reaction? Yeah. Face your fears.
What do you think of that?
Your mum hated it.
What did you think?
I thought it was alright. Yeah.
I want you to like the
Yeah, were you looking forwards and not looking out a window?
It didn't bother me one iota. I thought he was a great driver. But your mum hated it because she got sick.
Do you think it feels like you're going around Mars or something?
Yeah.
Look at this. This is like red iron ore on the floor.
So we've got hot.
Got hot stones from
get them back
straight from the
me.
volcano.
Here, Anthony.
They are hot. Them really hot. How can I show the viewers how hot it is?
I've just.
Is it hot?
It's very warm.
Chuck them down the knickers. So look at that there. Look at that magma there. That's all like gooey and oozy. So this down here, you can actually feel the heat coming from this. Wow, that is like. You feel that heat?
Vamos a verlo, let's see.
You can see it. Right, watch this. I'm gonna go. Here we go. Whoa, that's hot. Thank God a bit of heat. That boiled that quick, didn't it? Come on, get it poured in. Watch this. Whoa, freaking hell, fire. Shit, that's happening.
There's the big one now.
Here we go.
Yeah, it is.
Jesus. Don't melt the camera. You can actually see the lava. Look at that. Do it briefly. See that big orange patch there?
Yeah.
That's lava. This heat is absolutely unbearable. We're at our next destination. So we've come down the volcano and we're now at a place called El Golfo, and we're going to see a meteor, not a meteor crater, a volcanic crater that's half in and half out to sea. There's something special about it, so keep tuned and you can find out what it is.
This looks like a long walk.
It is. Look at it from the other side. There we are, a big green puddle.
So there we go. That's what we came to see.
Look at the walls of the crater. Look at that.
Wait a minute, a big green. What is it?
Puddle.
Big green. What is it?
Lake.
Lake.
I can't believe you into the aspen.
I thought it was like it was. No, it's not the lagoon. That's what I'm on about.
It's a lake.
It's a lagoon.
It's a lake in the bottom
It's
of
a big green lagoon.
No, because I've just read all about it.
And what makes that then?
It's certain species of seaweed and deep-rooted algae in the bottom.
Oh,
That creates the
lovely.
green look. Look at the walls.
Would you have to go swimming in it?
No. Look at the walls. So we're inside a crater, a volcanic crater, half in the sea and half out. So all these things on the walls are all molten rock that's dribbled. The last time we came here, I actually ran up here.
Yeah.
Now it's all fenced off. You can't get to it.
Right, I'm just going to pan all the way around here so you can see from all sides what it's like here. It's called El Golfo, this place. And get all the way around. There we go. Bit rough, isn't it, today?
Can't hear you.
Bit rough today. Rough sea.
It's windy. Very windy. I'm not walking down there, you get blown off. Milky at one end, doesn't it? I have got my wallet, yes.
Those bloody birds.
Why do I need my wallet?
To pay for all-inclusive drinks.
Well,
Trying to phone my dad, but as usual, he's not answering his phone.
you'd much as just sell his phone.
We're off for an evening meal.
I've got a headache.
I'm not that hungry though.
I've got a headache, I'm a bit tired.
Oh, for goodness sake. Early night. An early night for us then.
Well, it'll be like last 2 nights then, won't it? Right, let's get food then. Come on. Are you eating again?
Yes.
Chicken Caesar. Chicken Caesar.
So this is what I'm having for my meal tonight. We've got vol au vent, pizza, tuna, couscous and salad. And Nick's on with his first course. I'm not mixing food tonight. I'm having one of each thing. I'm not having 10 things on each course. Good for you. Good for you. So what have you got? What soup is it? Cream of vegetable with croutons. Ah. More wine, Nick? That'll do for now. So we're trying to get Auntie B drunk on wine, aren't we? And that was free. Yeah, it's all, well, it's not free, it's all inclusive. Yeah, but there was no supplement on it. It's 14% wine, and it's quite nice actually. I don't really drink wine, but cheers, cheers, cheers. Cheers. 35 minutes later.
You turn that camera off.
Course number 6. What happened to your 3 courses?
I've had small courses, which make up the 3. 3 small courses, what went on? Look at that. Stop out there, because that's that bottle. You bloody drunk.
Yes.
Is it nice?
What is it?
Gin and lemonade.
You mix it up. You need to mix.
Rubbish.
You need to mix it up.
I fixed it.
Show us your dance moves.
Well, you have to wait. I don't know.
Okay, we'll be back when you know the song.
You'll be getting ripped.
I'll check it all about.
Right, both open your mouths.
Give her.
Show me now. No, I bet.
Oh, they put me on the opposite way now. See, take that camera off, see.
Right, we're coming back to the hotel before the old folks. So we found two columns that we're going to put outside their. Is that definitely their room? Yeah. That's my mum and dad's room. And that's my Auntie B's room. It's just unfortunate we won't have a clue what they say when they come back to the. So they're still having a drink in the club. So they'll come back to their room and it'll look like that.
Too cold. In front of the doors.
Yeah, we've had a drink. Hello guys, it's the next morning now. Forgot to finish the vlog last night, so I'm going to finish it now. Nick's still in bed. Hi Nick. And I'm off for breakfast, leaving Lazy Bones in bed.
Sounds blaze, bugger off.
So, if you're not already a subscriber, please click the subscribe button below to become a lodger. Hit the like button and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on our future videos. Not sure what we're up to today. We might be going to the spa and going into Playa del Carmen. So it's called Playa del Carmen.
Now,
What's it called? Same as when he asked yesterday, Porta del Carmen.
Porta del Carmen. So I'll see if I may vlog or we may have a day without vlogging. We'll see, but you'll see in the next vlog. So see you later. Bye.